Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you 3 beginner air fryer recipes that are going to teach you how to make moist, crispy, and delicious chicken wings from scratch in less than 30 minutes. Hey guys, Marliese from Simply Fit Mom here, where I teach you how to become a strong, empowered, energetic super mom through food, fitness, and fun lifestyle tips. And today guys, we're going to be talking about making chicken wings. I'm going to be giving you 3 beginner air fryer recipes that are super quick, super simple, and super easy so that you can literally go from frozen chicken wings to hot, crispy, moist, and delicious chicken wings in less than 30 minutes. The 3 recipes we're going to be making today are Smokey BBQ chicken wings, buffalo chicken wings, and I'm also going to be teaching you how to make vegetarian cauliflower buffalo chicken wings as well. So if you're vegan or vegetarian, these are going to be perfect for you. Don't worry guys, just because you don't eat meat doesn't mean I don't got you. Alright, so guys, before we jump into today's video, be sure to let me know in the comments below what your favorite wing is and what other air fryer recipes you want me to teach you how to make. Alright guys, now let's jump into the first recipe. Alright guys, we're going to start with the chicken wings. So here I have about 4 to 5 pounds of chicken wings. I have wings and then I have like the little drumsticks as well. I just bought them at Costco. They're frozen. You can cook these from fresh as well, but I would just decrease the time that you're cooking them at by about 5 minutes or so. Okay, so to make the chicken wings, this is going to be enough for 2 different kinds. But since I'm teaching you how to make the Smokey BBQ chicken wings and the buffalo chicken wings today, I'm just going to cook all the wings together at the same time because they're cooked in the exact same way. It's just the sauces that are different, okay? So what you want to do is you want to grab a little bit of olive oil or a little bit of canola oil. This is a completely optional step, guys, but I find it gets them really nice and crispy as well in the air fryer, just that little bit of extra crisp. So just a little bit of oil on there. And then we're going to do a little bit of salt and pepper. So I would say about a teaspoon, I would say half teaspoon of salt, and about a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Now guys, if you don't have pepper and salt grinders like me, just use like regular table salt and regular pepper. It's all good. And from here, you just want to give it a little toss. Get your hands in there. Give it a little bit of a toss to make sure it's evenly coated with the salt and black pepper. And then we're going to toss it right into the air fryer. We're going to be air frying these at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. And then we're going to crank that temperature up to 400 for an extra 5 minutes to get them nice and crispy. Alright guys, while we're waiting for the chicken wings to cook in the air fryer, we're going to make our 2 sauces that are going to be going on. So the Smokey BBQ sauce and the buffalo sauce as well. Now, guys, I am going to be using Bullseye Smokey BBQ sauce just straight out of the bottle because, like I said, guys, this is meant to be super quick, super easy, super convenient chicken wing recipes, right? So if you have a favorite barbecue sauce recipe that you want to make, that's great. But today I'm just going to be using the Smokey Bullseye Original Barbecue Sauce. But we are going to be making our own buffalo sauce. Now, it's super easy to make in only 2 ingredients. All you're going to need is half a cup of melted butter and between a 1/4 and a half a cup of Frank's Red Hot sauce. Now, I have a 1/4 cup here, guys, because I don't need it too spicy. I can't handle spice. If you know me, you know this. I can't handle spice. So I'm admittedly only adding a 1/4 cup, but you crank it up to a half a cup if you like that spice, okay? Then all we're going to do is just whisk it up. And you can see it's taken on this beautiful, nice orange color. And then we're going to set that aside and wait for our wings to be ready coming out of the air fryer. These wings just came out of the air fryer, ready for our sauces. Again, we cooked them at 350 degrees for 15 minutes, and then 400 degrees for that last 5 minutes to get them extra crispy. Alright guys, now we have our crispy air fryer wings all ready to be sauced up and served. So we're just going to pop the air fryer basket out. We're going to pour half into one bowl, and then we're going to pour half into the other bowl. Just watch your hands here, guys, because these are hot. They're hot, okay? So we're just going to set this to the side. Now, we're going to grab our barbecue sauce. And so guys, anywhere between like a half a cup to 3/4 of a cup. Depends on how saucy you like your wings, right? I like to just eyeball it, so I'm just going to like pour this in. Yummy. Look at that, guys. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Alright, and now I'm just going to grab a spoon. And we're going to put on the Frank's buffalo sauce that we made earlier. It's so thick and rich. It looks so yummy. Now, I like to reserve some of the buffalo sauce for dipping. So I'm going to put about 3 to 4 tablespoons on just the outside of the wings. And give them a little toss. Whew, oh my gosh, guys, you can smell the spice. And then we're going to mix up our barbecue ones as well. And guys, it's just that easy. Now you have 2 recipes that are super simple and super easy to do. You have your smoky barbecue chicken wings and your buffalo chicken wings. These are great served with ranch dipping sauce, extra barbecue sauce, or extra hot sauce on the side. I really hope you enjoy them. Alright guys, now we're going to move on to making our vegetarian buffalo cauliflower wings. So for this recipe, you're going to need about 4 cups of cauliflower florets. So just the florets, you don't want the stem. I'm using frozen ones right out of the bag from Costco to make this super, super simple. We're also going to need, for our breading, 1 cup of almond meal. Now you can also use here, guys, breadcrumbs, but I'm completely gluten-free, so I'm using almond meal here. 1 tablespoon of garlic powder and 1.5 teaspoons of smoked paprika. 1 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and 2 eggs. Alright guys, first things first, what we want to do is season our faux breadcrumbs, our almond meal here. So we're going to take our paprika and our garlic powder and just sprinkle those in, as well as our salt and pepper. So this is going to be where all the seasoning in the cauliflower wings comes from before we put the sauce on. So we want to make sure it's really well seasoned and yummy, okay? And feel free to add whatever you want in here, guys. I've added chili powder in here before, cayenne pepper, onion powder. So feel free to let your imagination run wild with the spices here, okay? Alright guys, so now that that's nice and mixed up, we're also going to whip up our eggs. So our 2 eggs, we're just going to beat them up here until they are nice and smooth. So you want them to all be the same color. You don't want any big chunks of egg white in there, because then it's going to stick to your cauliflower wings and you're going to have like big chunks of egg white. And nobody wants egg whites when we're trying to have wings, right? So make sure that it's really, really well whisked up right there. See how it's all homogeneous and one color? That's exactly what we're looking for. And now we're going to set up our breading station. So we have our breadcrumbs here, our faux breadcrumbs, our almond flour, our eggs, and we have our cauliflower. Now guys, all we're going to do is take our cauliflower, dip it in the egg, okay? Now you want to make sure you get it fully coated, drip off any excess, then drop it into the almond flour. I like to use the opposite hand, so like this is my breadcrumb hand and this is my egg hand. Otherwise it can get a little bit gummy, but you know, guys, we're making wings, let it be a little bit messy, you know. This is really, really fun to do with your kids as well. Set up a little assembly line, get them breading these cauliflower wings. Now you want to shake off any excess, put it on a plate, and we're going to keep going until we do all of the cauliflower. Alright guys, they're all breaded and ready to go into the air fryer. Now, very important guys, when you're putting these in the air fryer, you want to make sure they're in a single layer, so you may need to do these in 2 batches depending on which air fryer you have. And we're going to air fry them at 370 degrees for between 12 and 15 minutes until they get golden brown and crispy. Alright guys, take a look at these beautiful crispy cauliflower buffalo wings. So what we're going to do is we're going to pop these out of the air fryer and we're going to pull over our buffalo sauce. So this is the same recipe that we made for the chicken wings. So half a cup of butter or vegan butter if you want, and then a 1/4 cup to a half a cup of Frank's Red Hot Sauce. Mix those two together, and then all we're going to do is just toss our cauliflower right in there. And I like to use a rubber spatula for this, guys, or something really gentle, because we don't want to knock all that crispy coating off that we just worked really hard to get. And we're just going to toss them all together until they're evenly coated. Alright guys, and there you have it. Look, we have our crispy cauliflower like faux chicken wings, vegetarian chicken wings coated in our beautiful buffalo sauce. Alright guys, and there you have it. 3 super easy, quick, and simple wing recipes. We have our buffalo barbecue chicken wings, we have our smoky barbecue chicken wings, and then we have our buffalo vegetarian cauliflower wings. You can serve them up with a little bit of ranch dip or a little bit of Caesar, a little bit of extra barbecue sauce or buffalo sauce, and guys, that is it. 3 quick and easy simple wing recipes that you can make in 30 minutes or less. Thank you so much for tuning into these recipes today. The only question I have left for you is, which one are you going to make first? Let me know in the comments below, and be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, because not only does it help support my channel, but it also lets me know, and it lets YouTube know that this is the type of content that you want to keep seeing from me, and that it's super valuable to you, and it also allows it to be shared with more people so they can get the value from it as well. Alright guys, that's it from me, Simply Fit Mom, signing off, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys!